If your dryer runs but clothes stay damp, do not jump straight to expensive parts. The most common causes are usually airflow and settings, not instant heater failure. No heat and very long dry times often come from blocked lint paths, vent restriction, overloaded drum, or a cycle mismatch. On some machines, sensor dry behavior can also look like weak heating. Clean the lint screen fully. Inspect vent path and outside exhaust airflow. Reduce load size and rerun with a suitable cycle. If your dryer has a vent test or diagnostic mode, run that next. If airflow is clear and performance still fails repeatedly, move to official service for electrical or component diagnosis. Do not continue repeated high heat runs with poor airflow. Quick rule: airflow first, settings second, service third. That order solves many dryer complaints faster.